another episode. For those of you who know me, thanks for coming back. For those of you who don't, my name's Daryl, I'm the owner of Bristol Detailing Supplies. So this episode, we're going to be talking and working on this Mercedes GLE 450e. It's an emerald green, which is a really nice colour, and we've also painted the calipers. If you've got any questions or anything else that you would like to know, just leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Enjoy the video. So as you can see, when we're machine polishing, we always break things down into different sections. So we won't do the whole boot lid like this and that bit, or like the back bumper, we'd always do two sides and in the middle. This just allows for a better finish, in my opinion, because you're not trying to stretch the compound too far. So obviously you want to make sure you're breaking the compound down, but you're not trying to drag one application all the way around. You'll have 3 applications, and then it gives you the opportunity to work that product in a lot more. I always mask off edges and things like this. It's not necessary, doesn't need to be done, but I always mask off I always mask edges off, just so that when you're polishing, your pad doesn't catch that, because you'll either fill it up with compound or could damage your pad as well. So if you don't want to do that, I always tape them off, which just makes life a little bit easier. But I always make sure I mask up the plastics as well, because it's not the case of not being able to polish properly or anything like that. It just allows you to get right to the edges. You'll see a lot of vehicles which people have like detailed or machine polished, and they'll almost polish to like here and then here. So then when you actually look at it in the sun, like the middle of the panel might be fantastic, they could have done a great job on it. But then you get to the edges and you'll still see resemblance of like swirl marks or like scratches from the bushes and things. That's purely because people aren't going up to the edges. Whereas at least like this, I can go all the way up to the edge, not worry about getting polishing on any trims or plastics or anything. I mean, the amount of time it takes, it's literally a couple of minutes. It's just not, it makes the job a whole lot easier. Makes for a better finish.